Fucking car flipped over. Sliding on this ice. Got these niggas all in the motherfucking dish. Yeah, somebody hit that shit because it was sideways at first. Oh, this motherfucker? Yeah, damn. Yeah, cause shit, boy, we walked past this bitch yesterday. Motherfucker was like, shit, you could have backed that motherfucker out once you dried up. But somebody hit the fuck out of that.
They knocked the shit out of it.
Yeah, that's black on there. That probably
that nigga truck was got there hit that bitch.
But that black right there.
And it looked like he was on his back before he hit that goddamn ditch.
Yeah, boy.
And you take it easy, driver.
Yeah, you ain't supposed to be out here no way. They say stay your ass in the house. You can't open the door, baby?
Yeah, got your brick.
Yeah, I'm good. It's fucked up.
Say, just hit that back, that little one. That little one. Yeah, then you reach there and open that bitch.
Here, use it. My car over there.
Get that motherfucker. Put my gloves at. I got one. You got one? You got gloves.
Can you reach it? You got unlock the top right there. Get right here. Yeah. Oh my god, yes.
Y'all don't smoke, man?
I do. You ain't got no blunt stuff.
So we finna go do.
I'm finna go blow some right now, so. You got that guy here. This motherfucking blue. Hey, but look though, y'all got down. Gonna keep you some slide. You might want to let some air out those tires, so. For traction, you know what I'm talking about? Yeah. Oh, for real? Okay. For real.